Hello everybody, it's me, Porter. Today we're doing the dry erase water marker experiment, and it's going to be so exciting. Based off my research, I've learned that the dry erase marker is made up of three things: pigment, the color pigment, the alcohol that dissolves the color pigment, and then the polymer. The polymer lets the marker slide right off the spoon, just like a knife cutting through butter. So my question today is, does the water have to be boiling hot, ice cold, or room temperature to work? Or can it be all of those things or none of those things? That's why I'm here to try them out. Let's try it out. All right, let's do it. Our materials we're going to be using today is a metal spoon, a black dry erase marker, and a dish filled with room temperature water. This is a big moment. Oh. This came off. It came off. It worked. Now let's pick it up. And look, it works just like a dry erase marker when you pick it up.
Did you draw that?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
It's easy.
Oh, that is so cool.
Because if I just wrote a cellist, it would floppy around and knock each other off. So if I attached the cage to it, it would just float.
All right,
let's try it out. Well, a bit of it came off. Let's try that again. Oh, some of it came off this time. Let's go. Oh, better result. Hi, we're gonna try it with ice water now. I have the man. And is he going too far? And he sticks. He's stuck to the pallet. Oh snap, he works in ice cold water.
Even better than regular water. Look, the head stayed intact.
He died.
Yeah, but it stayed intact better than the heart, don't you think?
Yeah. Look at that. Let's take the head off. Oh. All right, we're back with the ice cold water. Our last guy did absolutely great, better than the regular water. So let's see if it can handle two things separated. One heart came off.
Maybe move the other heart a little bit in the water.
Oof. Let's go back into tact. And let's dip this bad boy. It's okay.
Why do you think it's not sliding off? Oh, there we go.
Oh, get away. It still's a heart. that. Let's see if you can live. Live.
Just keep it on there for a second. And just kind of pull the spoon out slowly. Or let it slide off of it. Maybe try it again. Put it in. Put it in.
Alright, let me just get my hand away so you don't move it, guys.
And then turn it to the side maybe a little bit. Get it all the way under the water. All the way so it doesn't break. All the way, all the way. Turn it to the side. Ah! It worked!
It worked!
His hat came off, but it worked.
Oh. He got hit. He's hit.
I love that.
He's trying to swim away. I'm gonna do the experiment with boiling water. It's just gonna be a block. And I'm gonna try not to touch the water. And he's disintegrating. My block. It's disintegrating. It's dissolving it. It's like coming off one by one. So I'm gonna do the experiment again with boiling water, but this person, I feel really bad for him. He's gonna be the victim. Let's do this. Okay, the person's still intact. He's having a chill life.
It's not coming. Is any of it coming off in the water?
Yeah, it's dissolving.
Okay.
It's dissolving him. Hi, I'm back with the conclusions of this most awesomest, bestest ever experiment. It's without words, great. Here's a key word you're gonna hear me talking about and saying stuff, so I don't want you to be like, what's this? What's buoyancy force? Buoyancy force is the pressure of, it's basically the force of the water pushing you up. So let's say you take a styrofoam ball, for example, and you put it in water. You push it all the way to the bottom. You let it go. That's buoyancy force. The buoyancy force of the styrofoam ball floating up is called buoyancy force. That's the buoyancy force. That's the reason it becomes buoyant on the water. So to start off our conclusions, the room temperature. I can't quite say why it didn't slide off that easy, but it broke apart. It was messy, but it still hold it together a little bit good, and just falling apart everywhere. Now for the ice cold water. The ice cold water was very high buoyancy force, very good, and it slided off easily. Bang. It showed a little bit of rips and stuff, but it held shape very good. And then last but not least, the boiling hot water. It disintegrated, but then it just stuck. And it was horrible to work with, horrible. It did not come off that easy, but it disintegrated. It didn't come off at all. It just disintegrated. So that's the conclusions of the 2023 dry erase experiment. See you guys next time.